Actually, the difficulty levels, I think the students need to be trained, or no, they should have the awareness of the, because it's very important. Now we talk only in the higher level of our market value or money value or something. Now it's very important that our students also should know about the finance quiz. And difficulty level, we have a very good auditorium, so that part we didn't have any difficulties. Probably the difficulties for you guys to come all the way to shoot us. Actually, when I heard that it was started a couple of years back, I was very happy that you guys are coming out for the finance quiz, which is something different from the general quizzing. Stand with you, yes, I do agree that we should have it in the middle school level from grade 8 upwards onwards. And to know, because in the lower level we do talk about savings and other things, why not in the extended level? But CBSE has come out with a grade 11 and 12, and ICSE, knowing the curriculum, they have it at the ninth standard. The students can opt for the commerce and the finance and drop out math. The dropping out of the subject is there. If that could have been made as one of the compulsory subject or optional, without grading or with grading, at least to enlighten the students as well as the parents, I think it's very important. I have actually had a little bit of observation on that when you all launched this. It was a very good program, and the students have visited a great say on the stock exchange, and that is a time the students started looking at the stock exchange and the values and all that. It is a great thing, and I think you have done a couple of workshops also. It's a good, I think you need to take it to all the students level, not only to selective schools. Probably, if you open the door, many more ventures will come and more students will be benefited. I mean, I feel that Bangalore is such a dynamic city, and a lot of pumping from the software happens from here. I think you should have it separately for the Bangalore students. I'm not talking only about my school, I'm talking about the general or the Bangalore crowd students. They are very smart. Only thing they need the little bit of orientation on it. Suppose you guys can take forward, because nobody thought about it so far for the school level students, especially for grade 8 and 9. And you have come with that, and it should spread around.
It was really different from last year actually. We were in the same position, but last time it was 10 teams, so there was a lot more competition. And this year I felt that the questions were around the same standard, I guess. So it was mostly our buzzer work that helped us this time.
It was a great experience, and we thank CNBC for giving us the opportunity. And this is a great learning for many of the quizzers in 8th, 9th, and 10th to brush up on their finance knowledge in the current world. I've already decided that I'm choosing finance, and this quiz has just helped me brush up on my skills a little more.
Well, I really don't know what I'm going to do after this, so I don't know. Finance is always an option there. Well, Mr. Lloyd Saldana, well, he was really good today, and he's just, well, I'm not going to say that he's as good as Pikparain, but he's still really good.
Our quiz master today was really fun, and it was a new experience with Lloyd Sultana, as we have Pikparain always, but it wasn't much different as he conducted the show in the level that Grey Caps always sets, and it was brilliant.
Well, I feel that this is a brilliant move, as we only get to take up finance at 11th, and this helps the young students to see whether they're interested in finance or not. So this is actually a really good initiative, according to me.
The NSE, or the National Stock Exchange, has really done well in inculcating finance, which was not very known in today's cities, to the children of 8th, 9th, and 10th. As my friend mentioned, that it is only in 11th that we are exposed to this. But if known earlier, we can take a career choice, which might help us in our coming years.
Well, overall, the NSE Financial Quest has been
awesome.
It was really good. We wanted to carry over the legacy of our seniors, and make it a hat trick for St. Paul's. So yeah, we are very happy.
We're really happy for winning financial quest and looking forward for semi-finals. Having 5 rounds gives time for the quiz students so that they can make a comeback in the quiz. So it's really good.
It was very like it's fun and entertaining and the
Lloyd Saldana sir conducted the quiz really well. He was entertaining also.
NSC Financial Quest is and NSC and CNBC are doing a great. It's a great initiative to conduct this quiz because it helps youngsters learn about finance, which is very important for when we grow up.
I think it'll help us inculcate financial knowledge and help us in the future.
NSC Financial Quest is
Awesome.
It was a very nice, fun experience. It was a nice exposure we got in this quiz to the world of finance. And as it is the first time, we did quite well because we didn't have the required exposure to such quizzes. This being the first time, we actually did well.
Lloyd Saldana, I think he's an epitome of enthusiasm. He's so enthusiastic and it's quite motivating. A platform like NSC Financial Quest is, of course, important to all the students who are aspiring to become entrepreneurs or anything, because finance is an integral part of life. And finance is not something that we prepare only for a quiz. It's something that takes us forward in our life. Of course, it's like a dream come true for me if I get a chance to join NSC.
It was a great exposure for us because we don't come to know about these things in our everyday school life. It's quite boring. So it was a very good exposure.
He's a very nice quiz master. I saw him for the second time, and he has means I'm inspired by him a lot. I'm planning to make him my role model now because even I want to become a quiz master like him. The platform like this would help the children to gain some knowledge about finance in India and even across the world, and this will help them to gain some knowledge. Means people think that finance is very boring, but I think that it is quite interesting and they can gain a lot of knowledge if they come in this quiz and if they don't want to read any books about finance.
It's a great platform for kids like us because we come to know about finance in finance through these platforms. Finance is not a very common topic and many people are not interested in it. But through these events, all are motivated towards finance. NSC Financial Quest is
It's financial.
I'm Abhinav from Class 8, Presidency School, Bangalore South.
I'm Abhishek from Class 10 Presidency School.
It was great. I mean, I've never really heard of a quiz that deals with finance before. Usually they're all general knowledge. This is something different, so I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed this quiz because it's something different. Usually you don't see quizzes that relate to finance. They're usually general knowledge, etc. So it's different. I enjoyed it. Yeah, actually it's quite good because it'll make students start taking up finance more seriously and they probably prepare more and gain more knowledge related to finance.
I think many people will start going into the finance sector, so it's a very good initiative.
The quizmaster is really wonderful. I participated in the Presidency Challenge Cup earlier and he was the quizmaster there. And yeah, he's really good. He's a good quizmaster.
I think it's a very good innovation. I think the first time we have participated in such a quiz show. So yeah, next time also if it's there we will participate.
NSC Financial Quest is
Awesome.
Well, our experience at the NSA Financial Quest was really good and the questions are really interesting. Yeah, it is beneficial for us because there are many terms which we have never heard of before, in our schooling, in the schools. So yeah, of course it helps us to understand in the news, just as you said, that the scams and all, we can get to know what is it about. Well, the Quizmaster is really good and yeah, I really enjoyed the way he asked us the questions and all. And even after the quiz, he was very friendly with us. And I would like to join the finance sector because I really like doing maths and other I like the banking sector a lot. Yeah, I would like to thank the NSC, the people at NSC for this quiz because provides a really good platform for children in 10th standard and below that to actually get to know the financial knowledge.
NSC Financial Quest is
Really amazing.